Alright guys, what is up? So today we got some lighting. I got some stuff sent to me by a company, JDM A-Star. I'll give you the link in the description below. And basically I've got a couple light bars. This is the box they come in. The little 7-inch ones, so I think you guys already know where I'm going to put those. They're going right to the grill of the bumper, or right to the inserts in the bumper. And got some mounting stuff in here, looks like. We got them to send me out a harness. Let's take a look here. And here's the light bar. So just a little single row LED, pretty basic. But this is gonna fill the bumper slots like perfectly. So pretty pumped. I've been waiting to do this for a while, but I only had the one and I was waiting on a second one. So I got those. And I got some LED headlights, which I'm debating putting these in. Like I'm probably just going to try and put them in today. But the reason why I'm debating it is because I want to get new housings for the headlights, and they're only like $100. So, but anyways, here's the LED headlights, 6000K or whatever they are, whatever LEDs are, and yeah, these should brighten up the headlights. They look kind of goofy with the stock ones right now because they're kind of like yellowy and nonsense. So. Yeah, gonna toss these in. So the longest part is what's gonna take is finding how I'm gonna mount those. I guess I'll see what's in these bags and see what I can do here. So that's what we're doing today. And I've got some other parts that are supposed to show up today, which I'm super excited for. And that's probably gonna be next video. Just those, I'll split those up. But yeah, so big shout out to JDM A-Star for sending these out to me, and let's get going on these lights. Here's the harness. There's the switch. I never understood why, but these switches are always upside down. When is the wire ever gonna come from the top in a truck? That makes zero sense. It should be this way. But anyway, these are the two ends. Looks like they're made for connectors, maybe from a different light bar from these guys. So I'm basically going to have to cut these ends off, so those can go to the light bars. And then over here you got your relay, inline fuse, and then power ground. That's it. So pretty straightforward, I think. So I'm going to see if I can get one of these mounted up real quick, and then if I can get it mounted, then it's just splicing in some wires and that's it. So let's do it. Alright, so I haven't showed you guys the sticker. I got the sticker a week and a half ago. It's the Powerstroke equivalent of Cummins. Badges are still holding up good. Okay, so here's a sneak peek of what it's gonna look like. I think it looks so sick. I'm probably... Hold on. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about the headlights. If you really want to help me out, go on eBay and look up 92 or 96 F-150 headlights. And there's going to be two options that show up. There's going to be the clear ones, like clear everything. They look almost like chrome. Or there's the ones that have the black housings on the inside, and then they're clear on the outside, obviously. Let me know what you guys think for this truck. I have tried for like a day or more just trying to figure out which ones are going to be better for this truck, and I honestly can't tell because like I deleted a bunch of the chrome, right, except for like the badges and the handles, and like having the grill chrome makes a big difference as to whether or not like the clear ones would work. If I had a chrome grill, the clear ones would be no-brainer, but since I don't know what to get. And like since the taillights are blacked out, the wheels are black, and then like even these light bars, how all this is all black, it kind of makes sense to go with the black housings. But let me know what you guys think about the headlights. So yeah, here's these light bars. They're mounted in. I just gotta cinch everything down, so I'm gonna do that right now. this is only into plastic, but I don't think that should be a problem because, yeah, I don't know how they're gonna go anywhere. I've wedged these in, so when all these bolts are cinched down, they should not move anywhere. So just cinch those down, then get to wiring. And the wires are actually right here, so that's not going to be a total big deal. But it's getting these bolts tightened that's going to be hard because there's not a lot of space up there to work with. So I'm going to do that now, and hopefully the wiring won't take long because I am horrible at wiring. Light bar is in. They're not going anywhere. It's really, really hard to get them cinched down real tight. The access is absolutely horrible in here, especially with this dent. But I got lock washers on all of them, so I don't think they'll go anywhere. I mean, yeah, so there's the wiring. So I just got to cut off the connectors on the harness, splice them into this, and then just run the harness, and that's pretty much it. I'm still going to get AC delete. I'm gonna pick up the parts for that tomorrow. Maybe get a new air filter, a new belt. Hopefully, I don't even know if they sell the belts for these without AC. I think for some reason all the Powerstrokes came with them, but I'm probably wrong on that. So. Yeah, so I'm going to run this harness. Hopefully they work. And there's the headlights right there. I guess I can try the LED headlights today. But ideally you can get you take the batteries out and then have lots of space to work with, because there ain't no space to do these headlights. Any other ones than stock, so. This connector is broken. I always did that anyway. I mean, alright, well, there's one headlight out, so I guess I may as well try it. Okay, let's get this harness wired in first, though.